In this session, we are discussing Python nested dictionary implementation. So how the dictionary can get nested. So see here. So in Python, a nested dictionary is a dictionary inside another dictionary. So it is a collection of dictionaries into one single dictionary. So just consider this one. We are having this people. So this people is having, this is my key and this is the respective value. And this value is another dictionary. This is another key, colon is the separator between key and value, and this is one value, and the value is itself is another dictionary. And you see we are putting comma here. And then 3, this is the respective value, 4, there is a key and this is the respective value, and just consider the inner dictionaries here. So name Agnivo, and then age 21, sex M, and here we are having name Titli, age 14, sex F. We are having this name Dia, age 16, sex F, married no. We are having this name Disha, age 32, sex F, and married yes. So now you see this is a dictionary and this is the outer dictionary we are having. So that's why it is called nested dictionary. So let us implement this one using Python coding so that you can feel that how the outputs are coming and how to write the code appropriately. Now here we will be declaring and defining a nested dictionary. So people is equal to 1 colon. So 1 is the key here, and here we are having the value, and the value is also having the key value pair. So again we are having this, there is a key is 2 and this is my value, and value is another dictionary which is having the key value pairs. So that's why it is called nested dictionary. So if we print people, we'll be getting the outcome like this one. So now we are trying to access elements of the dictionary. So print people 1. So 1 means the key will be 1 here. So now we are trying to retrieve from the value, we are trying to retrieve the value against the key name. So accordingly we are getting this John here. For the age we are getting this 27, and for the sex we are getting here male. So in this way we can access elements of this nested dictionary. So next one we are going to define another people 3, that is the key will be 3 and it is a empty dictionary here. So now adding elements to the dictionary. So people 3 name is Luna, people 3 age 24, people 3 sex female, and people 3 married no. So now if you go on printing, we are already having this the respective key with the values, that is key value is 1, here the key is 2, here the key is 3, and the respective nested dictionary we are observing here. Adding a dictionary to a nested dictionary. So there is another way to add another dictionary, another entry in the nested dictionary. So people 4, so here 4 is a key and the respective value will be the another dictionary here. So if you go for this print people 4, we are getting this outcome like this one. So this is a people, there is a people 4 is this one, but if I print the people, then we are having the respective entry against the key 1, against the key 2, against the key 3, and against the key 4 here. So in this way the nested dictionary is getting printed. Now deleting elements from a nested dictionary. So if we go for this print people 3, print people 4, so that means key is given as 3, key is given as 4 here. So now what will happen, I'll be getting the respective entry, respective value against the key 3 and against the key 4 here. So now we are deleting people 3 married. So that means this married colon yes, this married colon no, and this married colon yes, they will get deleted if we execute these two set of statements. So now if we print this people 3 and people 4, we're getting them, and this particular key value pair will be omitted because they have got deleted already. So that is a way to handle this our nested dictionary for the deletion of elements. Now just consider this one. We are having another nested dictionary here. So in this particular nested dictionary, I'm just printing this people. So you can find that this with the against the key 1 the values are there, against the key 2, against the key 3, against the key 4 we're having the respective values there. So now we are going for this del, that is a deleting dictionary from the nested dictionary. So we are deleting this dictionary, there's the people 3 and people 4. In that case, if you go for the printing, the print of this people, we are getting this the dictionary entries against the key value 1 and against the key
2 here. So against the key 3 and 4, the respective dictionary will be deleted. So now let us go for this. So at first I'm just printing here people dot items. So you see in the dictionary, in the dict items, we are getting this one as 1, this, 2, this is another dictionary we're remaining with. So now we are using a for loop. We're just writing this one, that is for PID comma pinfo in people dot items. So PID will be initialized in the first iteration, will be initialized by 1, and pinfo will be initialized with this respective dictionary. And in the second iteration, PID will be initialized with 2 and pinfo will be initialized with this nested inner dictionary here. So now we are printing this person ID PID. So we are getting this one, person ID is getting printed as 1, person ID is getting printed as 2 in the next iteration. So now to retrieve the respective values against the key in this inner nested dictionary, we are again using another for loop. So for key in pinfo, we are printing this key, then concatenating with a colon, and then we are printing this pinfo key here. So we are getting this person ID colon 1, so that is getting printed from here, and within this loop, within this for loop, we are printing name colon John, name age colon 27, and sex colon male here. So in this way the things are getting printed. So we are having this name, we are having this age, we are having this sex. So the three values have got picked up against the respective 3 keys from the inner nested dictionary, and in the next iteration we are retrieving the values, key value pairs accordingly in this nested for loop. So in this way, in this particular discussion, we have discussed that how to handle with the nested dictionaries and how to tackle with the key and the value pairs according to our requirement. Thanks for watching this video.